Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Inside Winner. LSGD AE Overseer Grade 1, അതേപോലെ കേരള വാട്ടർ അതോറിറ്റി, KSCB തുടങ്ങി അസിസ്റ്റന്റ് എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് പോസ്റ്റുകളിലേക്കും ഓവർസിയർ പോസ്റ്റുകളിലേക്കും പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യുന്ന സ്റ്റുഡൻസിന് സ്പെഷ്യലായിട്ട് ടെമ്പററി ആയിട്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന വർക്കിംഗ് പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോമുകളായ സ്കഫോൾഡിങ്ങിനെ കുറിച്ചും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ അണ്ടർപിന്നിങ്ങിനെ കുറിച്ചും ഷോറിങ്ങിനെ കുറിച്ചും എല്ലാം ഉൾക്കൊള്ളിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള വളരെ സിമ്പിളായിട്ട് എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു തിയറി ക്ലാസ് വീഡിയോയാണിത്. നിങ്ങൾ ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ഈ ചാനൽ കാണുന്നതെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക.
Scaffolding, shoring and underpinning. Scaffolding, a temporary structure usually provided to give a safe working platform for the workers and to provide a limited space for the storage of plant and building materials. When the height above floor level exceeds above 1.5 meter is called scaffolding. Component parts of scaffolding. First one, standards. These are the vertical members of the framework and they are either supported on the ground or drums or embedded into the ground. Second one, ledges. These are the horizontal members parallel to the wall. Third one, footlocks. These are the transverse pieces which are placed on the ledges and which are supported on the wall at one end. They are at right angles to the wall. Fourth one, transom. These are footlocks, but their both ends are supported on the ledges. Fifth one, riker. Riker is an inclined support. Sixth one, toe board. This is a board placed parallel to the ledges and supported between the footlocks provided for to work as a protective measure on the working platform. Seventh one, guard rail. This is a rail provided like a ledger at the working level. Eighth one, bridle. This is a piece which is used to bridge an opening in a wall and it supports one end of the footlock at the opening. Now, types of scaffolding. First one, single scaffolding or bricklayers scaffolding. It consists of a single row of standards placed at a distance of about 1.2 meters from the wall. The distance between the successive standards is about 2 meters to 2.5 meters. The ledges are then fixed to the standards at a vertical distance of about 1.2 meters to 1.80 meters. The footlocks with one end on the ledger and the other end on the wall are then placed at a horizontal distance of about 1.2 meters to 1.80 meters. It is also known as the footlock scaffolding. It is used for brickwork. Second one, double scaffolding or mason's scaffolding. It is used for construction of stonework. It is stronger than the single scaffolding. The rakers and cross braces may be provided to make the scaffolding more strong. The framework is similar to the single scaffolding except that two rows of standards are provided. The both ends of the member supported on the ledges is called transom. It is used in double scaffolding. It is also known as independent scaffolding. Third one, cantilever or needle scaffolding. In this type of scaffolding, the general framework may be of single scaffolding type or of double scaffolding type. But the standards are supported by a series of needles or ties which are taken out at floor levels or through openings or through holes cut in the masonry. This type of scaffolding is useful under the following circumstances. First one, the proper hard ground is not available for the standards to rest. Second one, it is desired to keep the road or pavement near the face of the wall, clear of obstruction caused by the scaffolding. Third one, the construction work is to be carried out for upper parts of a multi-storage building. Fourth one, suspended scaffolding. This is a very light type of scaffolding and can be used only for the maintenance work such as painting, pointing, whitewashing, distumbering, etc. The working platform is suspended from the roofs by means of ropes, wires, or chains, and arrangements are made such that the platform can be raised or lowered. Fifth one, trestle scaffolding. In this type of scaffolding, the working platform is supported on movable contrivances such as ladders, tripods, etc. mounted on beams. The maximum height up to which this type of scaffolding can be adopted is about 5 meters from the supporting surface. Sixth one, steel scaffolding. In place of timber, the steel tubes can be effectively used for scaffolding work. The scaffolding can be used up to any height. It is strong and more durable. It can be easily erected and dismantled. 7-1 patented scaffolding. In this type of scaffolding, the working platform is supported on a bracket which can be adjusted to any suitable height. Now let us move into shoring. What is a shoring? A shoring is a temporary structure provided to support an unsafe structure or required to prevent movements when certain additions and alterations are being carried out. Types of shoring. First one, raking shore or inclined shore. It consists of wall plate, needles, cleats, rakers, bracing and sole plate. The wall plate is placed against the wall and is secured by means of needles which penetrate into the wall for a distance of about 150 mm. The wall plate distributes the pressure evenly. The needles are secured by cleats which are nailed to the wall plate. The rakers are interconnected by struts or braces or lacings. The feet of rakers are stiffened by similar braces or hook iron and they are connected with the sole plate by means of iron rods. The center line of the raker and of the wall should meet at the floor level. The rakers should be inclined at 45 degrees with the ground. The top raker should not be inclined steeper than 75 degrees with the horizontal. The length of the top raker can be reduced by providing a wider raker. Now, first one, flying or horizontal shores. In this type of shoring, the horizontal supports are given to parallel walls which have become unsafe due to removal or collapse of the intermediate building. There are two types of flying shore, single flying shore and double flying shore. A single flying shore consists of wall plate, needles, cleats, struts, strain pieces and folding wedges. The center line of flying shores and those of walls should meet at floor levels. The struts are inclined at 45 degrees and in no case the angle of inclination should increase 60 degrees. A single flying shore is suitable for a maximum distance of about 9 meters between the adjacent parallel walls. When the distance is between 9 meters to 12 meters, a compound or double flying shore is provided. Second one, dead or vertical shores. In this shore, the horizontal members known as the needles are supported by vertical members known as dead shores. A dead shore is used under the following circumstances. First one, the lower part of the wall has become defective. Second one, the foundations are to be deepened. Third one, the lower part of the wall is to be rebuilt or reconstructed. Fourth one, the large openings are to be made in the existing wall. Now the term underpinning. What is underpinning? The placing of new foundation below an existing foundation or the process of strengthening the existing foundation is known as the underpinning of foundations. Methods of underpinning. First one, pit method. Second one, pile method. And third, miscellaneous methods. Now what is a pit method? In this method, the existing wall is divided into suitable sections of width about 1.2 meter to 1.5 meter. The holes are made in the wall. The needles with bearing plates are then inserted through these holes and supported on jacks. If space to support needles on outside is not available, the cantilever needles projecting inside and provided with fulcrums and loadings. A hydraulic jack is placed between the needles and fulcrum. Second one, pile method. In this method, the piles are driven along both sides of the existing wall and then needles in the form of pile caps are provided through the existing wall. Third one, miscellaneous methods. There are four types of methods here. First one, cement grouting. Second one, chemical consolidation. Third one, freezing. And fourth one, vibro flotation. These are all about scaffolding, shoring and underpinning.
If you felt the video useful and informative, please press the like button, share the video and subscribe the channel.